Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features and a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. Come see the car for yourself.